Good morning, students. I'm Satyarthi from Global College of Law. So today we will speak on arbitration, conciliation, and alternate dispute resolution. This is a practical subject for LLB fourth semester, code K407, and this will be held, I suppose, somewhere in July this year. The session is a bit late due to coronavirus onslaught. But friends, it's very important practical subject. It contains of say two parts. One is class study, second is field study. And as clear with the name of the title, that is alternate dispute resolution, of course. So any dispute, commercial or so, how to resolve. Otherwise the court. Although court is there for every purpose, but in view of pendency of the cases too much and time consuming, cost effectiveness, so there is one provision under which resolution can be had for any dispute. That is arbitration, conciliation, and alternate dispute resolution. This paper is there. Since paper is very important for LLB fourth semester, so University and Bar Council of India has thought with that there should be a practical subject. This should be under practical, because if one goes for practical of a particular subject, he learns better than what in class study it is done. So here as we have given tips about other practical subjects also through YouTube channel of a college, Global College of Law. So here I'll speak on this point. So here, as I told you, it is in two parts. So first of all, I'll say the part which is the class study. And when we talk of the LLB class study, you know, there is one teacher assigned for particular work. For this work also, when any class assistant professor or professor is there, as per the subject, say this course will be taught always through in class. Practicing advocate, retired judge, or retired law teacher, because it's very important. So this cannot be had that it will be by a fresh teacher. Classroom instructions include lessons on the concepts and practice of arbitration, conciliation, and alternate dispute resolutions. Students are required to maintain their diary of the sessional work for this paper, in which they are expected to take note or record of written exercises assigned to them by the class teacher during the session, and their observations about the field work, training, work of Lok Adalat, etc. And this is always organized by the law department of the university or law college, and to be attended by all the students. Every student is supposed to attend minimum 2 field exercises, and this is the duty of the law college to arrange in a way that none of the student is left, because this is the basis on which one is supposed to take use of this paper while one goes for practice of law. For arbitration, you know, there is one Arbitration Act 1976, for which a detailed teaching is done in the class. Certain points are there, why arbitration is there. Arbitration clause is there in every agreement. And recently one court 2015, one commercial court has come, in which reconciliation exercise is also added. And accordingly, I am talking about the arbitration, as I told that in Contract Act, there is a provision for the arbitration, so arbitrator clause is there in every agreement. And accordingly, arbitrator appointed procedure is given in Arbitration Act. First party or second party, in case they fail, then High Court or the Supreme High Court in the case matter of the intra-country like ours, and Supreme Court in the matter of when international businesses, there are parties are of two different nations, and business is also spread in more than one state. State means, when we talk of a state in legal or political term, means country. Yeah. So, see, as I told you in class, this is to be taught by the retired law teacher, my main senior, who is having much experience, retired judge, and during which he has to have exercises on arbitration, conciliation, alternative dispute. Teacher will give because teacher is having idea what type of arbitration is there. Some imaginary or sometimes established exercises are given. How to do conciliation, see how to resolve the dispute out of court. So procedure is given for which 40 marks are assigned. And accordingly for field work, when we talk of the field work, this is the second part for which the student is supposed to maintain a diary and also proper recording is to be done. When we talk of the field work like Lok Adalat, one has to go to attend Lok Adalat. All students have to go. During this exercise, they must know also Lok Adalat working of the Tehsil, working of the Thana. They should also visit courts like Supreme Court, High Court or the district courts. They must have very good idea because working is very important. At the same time, students are supposed to go for the legal aid clinic under NALSA 1986. Law is there. For villages adopted, our college has adopted 6 villages under which we have conducted certain mobile legal aid clinics, and our students have taken very good interest. Last year when we did, particularly for this paper, senior students had gone there and they really did very good work in the adopted places. So here again I part that say there are 2 parts. One is and both parts contain 40 marks each. Classwork on which the class teacher means subject teacher. Subject teacher is always a practicing advocate or retired senior teacher or a retired judge. In our college also it is being done by a senior law teacher, and I also sometimes give some tips because I am also one senior law graduate having much idea about the field work. We attended many Lok Adalats work. I attended many conciliation exercises, not only one district, 1, 2, 3 districts I attended. So I have idea, and I also can take students to the Lok Adalats to let them know what type of the working is there. And second part is very important, field work, and Charan Singh Chaudhary University is giving much importance to this paper. Accordingly, colleges are expected to take interest and also teach students. See, not only these 2 parts, but at the same time, see again, the third part is the Viva Voce, that is for 20 marks. Viva Voce is always conducted by examiners appointed by empaneled by the university. It is part of exam process. And see, this paper contains also the existing justice delivery system, effectiveness and menaces. See, what type of the justice delivery system in our country is there, and why this alternate dispute resolution procedure, reconciliation, mediation, etc. has come, because system, I suppose, is not very efficient. Some menaces are there, dependency is increasing, poor people are not able to get justice. Today one retired justice of the Supreme Court of India has given that today judiciary is in the hands of the rich people. Poor people do not, they are grinded, means pis rahe hain, wo nahi kar pa rahe. So existing justice delivery system like effectiveness and menaces, reforms the legal system for achieving effective and speedy resolution of the process, public interest litigation. In case these things are getting late, then we expect that there should be litigation. The PIL should be filed. Alternate dispute resolution system, see, we should know objective, meaning or advantage. Types of the ADR, like mini trial. What types of the ADRs are there? ADR means alternate dispute resolution. See, this is mini trial, you should know. Then mediation trial between 2 parties, mediation. Mediation also, this is not binding, it is only exercise. Arbitration, neutral fact finding experts, early neutral evaluation, court annexed arbitration, mediation, hybrid process, judicial settlement conferences, multi-door color houses. These all points are very important, and every student to study properly and know these things. Other amicable settlements like Lok Adalat and Lok Adalat, when both the parties are agreed, the matter is referred to the Lok Adalat and they pass the consent decree, and this is not appealable. Accordingly, in arbitration also there is no appeal, but however in certain cases appeal is applicable. Arbitration agreement, international commercial disputes, composition and jurisdiction, everything is given in the Arbitration Act. Conduct of arbitral proceedings, how to do this also given that. Enforcement of arbitral award, it is well defined. So, and in case of international foreign awards, some certain conventions are there like New York Convention and Geneva Convention, which students are supposed to know well. Cancellation, when we talk commencement of proceedings, appointment to one of the conciliator, submission of the statement of conciliator, settlement agreement, termination cost, these are all the things one should know. Mediation meaning advantage technique, these are all the things be known by the students. And we can also say what books are suggested by the university. Our university, CCS University, and our college, Global College of Law, always suggest to students that book of P.C. Rao, Alternate Dispute Resolution, books of Mr. N.D. Vasu, Law of Arbitration and Conciliation, G.K. Kotra, Arbitration and Conciliation of Law of India. So there are certain more books can be had, but class study is done based on that. All students are supposed to, and they have to prepare a file. File must have in two parts, one will be for class study and with the exercise given by the subject teacher. Subject teacher, I told you, normal course, this should be retired judge or senior advocate or say senior retired judge, because they know the idea how to do this all. See, exercises will be given, that to be recorded in the diary, session diary. Every student should know also observe things and give observations. And accordingly, second part is the field work. Every student, this is the duty of the college to attend in a way, arrange in a way that every student gets opportunity. And at this stage, I'll say the students who have not gone to this thing must be ready. When this coronavirus lockdown is over, we will immediately arrange for field work. And they have to go to the Lok Adalat, they have to go to the court working, see also mediation exercise to be seen by them, certain more things, court working also to be seen, tehsil working, thana working, and in addition we'll go for legal aid clinic, that is mobile legal aid clinic in our college. It is all other colleges it is not there, but we are having mobile legal aid clinic. And the file is to be prepared legal size page. First page contains the details of your college, university, like CCS University, Meerut, college address to be given, name, logo of the college to be given, subject, complete name of the subject, practical subject to be given, name of a student, details of the student, second part, subject teacher given. And then we turn the page, second page should be for Thanksgiving, who has helped in doing this exercise, maybe senior law practitioner or some retired judge or so, whatever that, as per the arrangement governed by the court, this class, say college. And third, then index, as this total paper index to be done is to be in two parts, one class work and second field work. Class work should contain what we told just, and accordingly second part to be for the field work. See, last time some students had not written accordingly and they were given very less marks by the examiners. So I strongly want to convey through this session that the students should be very particular in writing their file. It should be in legal size page, it should be one single side written, it should be black and white only, it should be with margin on top, bottom, left, right. We told already it should be spirally bound. It must be something good written. This field work, they may question what court you attended, which Lok Adalat you attended, which cases you have seen, what were the consent degree, what is the dispute, arbitration, appeal, and who appoints the arbitrator, and how appeal can be had, how dispute to be resolved, and fee, etc. Everything will be questioned. It is possible only when students reads this act and also the field work he does with the involvement. For international, see there I told you two conventions, New York Convention and Geneva Convention is there. And arbitrator can be of either of the nationality until unless it is objected by any party. And it is well given in the act also, and see one party can appoint and second can accept the arbitrator. Arbitrator can be single one or maybe more, but it should be always in the odd number, because in case of any dispute there should be majority. And these are the things to be seen. And now I want to complete this session, and I request all the students to involve themselves and get ready things, because now Time is coming for the practical examination. Any doubt is there, they can contact me. This YouTube channel is there, Global College of Library students supposed to subscribe, learn. With this thing, I'm sure that in case of any doubt, they can direct contact me. My telephone number, details are given on the site of the college. Thank you very much and thank you so much. Nice.